going on, guys? I'm here to make a cocktail, and I brought two friends. I'm Diego.
This is Fernando.
I'm Raul.
So, to make a cocktail, to make a cocktail, you'll need. Well, of course, you won't need this shit. So fuck this. All right. To make a cocktail, you'll need whatever this thing is, something to mix your stuff. This weird drink we made like 5 months ago. We'll need some. What is this?
I think that shit is me.
Yeah. So as you can see, this thing you'll need it. This is what's gonna give the flavor. So you'll need a knife too, of course. Cut the ingredients.
Can't forget that.
A tool thing. That's flavor. That's flavor gum. Some drinks.
Seven down.
We're not sponsoring anything. This is 7 Down. More 7 Down. And
Hot glue.
this is chrome paint, I guess.
Actually, we don't need hot glue. Never mind.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't mind the background noises. It's just our chefs making more things. You'll need bug killer, bug spray, I guess.
More 7-Up, of course.
Yeah. Well, if we need more 7-Up, we'll use it.
All right.
Alright.
So let's go.
So the ingredients are ready. So Fernando is gonna do the mixing.
All right. So open up 3 bottles of 7 Down. Then pour it into the thing.
Tasty.
All right. You need some of these. All right. So. Oops.
Some spray.
Yeah. Not much though. Otherwise you will die from cancer. Alright, once the first mix is done, you gotta mix it up. Gotta seal the thing. Shake it. Then pour some.
Then you have to mix
by
it
the way-
some more.
Do something.
You have to mix it, you know?
Yeah, it's done.
Alright, we forgot to tell you guys something. Safety first. Wear protection glasses. What the? Alright, so it's done, so
This belongs to Trump, by the way.
Oh. Gotcha.
Holy shit! Ah, stop work!
Well, this thing is not expired, by the way.
Alright, now the most important ingredient. This is a mix we made a while ago. I'm gonna pour some. Let's see. Wood paint.
Some wood paint,
Not much. Just a little bit.
It's just enough. It's just
and it's
enough.
purple. It's yeah, and you need some spray too. That's right.
Alright, we gotta mix it.
You know, it
once
smells
again.
kind of good too.
Yeah. Let's
Yeah.
mix it. See?
That's the color you want to get.
Yeah.
Okay, now more 7-Up.
Yeah.
You'll need it all.
Hey, by the way, the guy fucked up. It's 7 down, not 7.
It break.
Oh shit, whatever.
Alright, once it's done, you gotta.
It should look pink, by the way. If
Yeah,
it looks
yeah.
pink, you're
should
doing
look
everything
good.
right. If it doesn't look pink, if it looks like if it looks green and it's glowing, then you did something wrong. You probably used uranium or some shit.
Alright, let's try it.
Wait. Is
Oh,
everything?
yeah.
See?
No.
Did you hear
Smell. You forgot
Oh.
something.
Yeah,
You
yeah, yeah.
forgot-
Oh, yeah,
Coconuts.
oh.
You forgot the coconut smell.
Can never forget that. So good! Oh, let's
Now-
drink it.
Eu vou derramar fora, ok?
Oh!
Eu não quero essa merda.
See, guys? That's what you want to get. Yeah, don't forget the
Ice.
thing.
Wait. You need the icing on the cake.
Hell yeah.
You need some toilet gum.
Alright, guys, we're off for now. See ya!
Wait, before you go, we're doing a giveaway of this Leroy Merlin coin. You can use it to buy 50-cent stuff. Yeah, that's all. Bye.